Today we're going to explore the best practices of editing an existing employee's information. In this, we're going to talk about general search navigation, basic HRMS table functionality, how to change a position, where's the compensation tab, how do I update a salary, things like that we'll touch on, but the basic premise of this video is to how to update existing employees' information. The first step is using the search functions. So you can click on the binoculars in the top right hand corner, and that's going to give you a complete search criteria. All the lists that you create here of employees stem from the search criteria that you use. So within the system, you can actually pick an employee subset and then pick a function. So if you want to work on employee deductions, for example, without having to look at all employees, you can pick these 6 or 7 employees you would like to work on employee deductions for in the list by going by pay group or by company, picking the locations, and then picking this subset of employees. So if I hit search, it'll bring up all the employees that are currently in the system and the different pay groups and so forth. So once I pick my employee set, I can either select all of them, I can append a previous list that I have, or I can create a new list. So we'll just create a new list right now. So that's going to give me everybody in the system. So I would like to work on Brenda Watson, and in the employee HRE master, you're going to be able to edit the employee master file, demographics information of the employee, the employment criteria of the employee, their current status, their original hire dates, their benefit service dates, their profile. Their compensation tab will drive all their direct pay information, including the salary detail information. That'll give you their most recent history of pay increases or decreases, position changes in the assignment tab that control the position detail information. So how do I update and change an employee's position? Does an employee have multiple positions? Where's their position located? And then where do they fall in an organizational structure? Location, department, who's their manager, and so forth. If you hit the edit function in any of these different fields, you'll be able to update the information. So if I hit edit, you'll see that the fields now become editable. If I hit save or cancel, then I simply back myself out of or save the changes that I made to that employee. You'll see that there's a display notes attachment, or there's an edit mode, so where you can see the display history records of when things changed. So that's the general navigation of how to edit an employee's information. Now you can use the same functionality in the Paymaster or all the benefits and HRMS tables just as easily as what I showed you here. If you have any further questions, you can contact your customer support representative, or you can visit www.compasshrm.com, click on support in the top right hand corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom and click contact support icon to submit a support ticket.